A brave little boy had a big dream, to help others to cross the stream. But life was unfair and treated him bad, beaten, abused, and yet never sad. But the dream led him to a place of bliss, of Buddha's mantras and prayer wheels. Poverty slept in his runaway bed, but anger, hatred did not rule his head. A teacher he met who offered him care, taught him the Dharma which made him aware. With devotion he served all night and day. His guru was the light of the sunset bay. A handsome talent, the young lad asked, "Would a monk or an actor fulfill my task?" The wise teacher replied with a smile on his face, "The robes are a beacon of your true grace." His teacher's demise left him in disarray, traveling to India in his deep dismay, yet honoring his words through near or far, a shaved head instead of a Hollywood star. It started out with a hopeful dream and a promise made to the Supreme. A monk of service to humanity, Tsem Rinpoche, this is his story. Making a promise is nothing. Keeping a promise is everything.
The Promise, a biography of Tsem Rinpoche, is available at Kechara Outlets Malaysia and online at vajrasecrets.com.